Final Round AI is designed to assist job seekers in interview preparation and performance. Here's a breakdown of how it's intended to be used. Resume preparation. Begin by optimizing your resume with the AI Resume Builder, ensuring it's ATS friendly and tailored to the job description. Mock interview practice. Utilize AI mock interviews to simulate real scenarios. Pay close attention to real time feedback and practice diverse question types. Live interview assistance. During actual interviews, enable the interview copilot for subtle, real-time suggestions. Use this tool to enhance, not replace your own responses. Analyze performance. After each interview, mock or real, thoroughly review the generated reports, identify strengths and weaknesses to pinpoint areas for improvement. Iterative improvement. Consistently practice incorporating the feedback from reports. Regularly use the mock interviews to improve your skills over time. Always ensure your technical setup is correct. By following these steps, you can leverage Final Round AI to enhance your interview preparation and improve your chances of success.